Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. PayActiv is a financial wellness platform offering employees access to their earned wages before payday. This service helps individuals avoid late fees, overdraft charges, and predatory lending practices. With PayActiv, employees gain control over their finances, reducing stress and improving their overall well-being. The platform provides a valuable tool for managing unexpected expenses and smoothing out cash flow irregularities. It empowers individuals to access the money they've already earned, promoting financial stability and preventing reliance on high-cost alternatives. Furthermore, PayActiv integrates with existing payroll systems, streamlining the process for both employers and employees. This integration ensures a seamless experience, making it easy for employees to access their earned wages whenever needed. Beyond simply providing earned wage access, PayActiv also offers a suite of financial wellness tools, including budgeting resources, savings options, and bill payment assistance. This holistic approach helps employees build long-term financial health and develop responsible money management habits. By partnering with employers, PayActiv provides a vital resource for supporting employee financial wellness, leading to increased productivity, reduced turnover, and a more engaged workforce. The platform's flexibility allows employers to customize the program to fit their specific needs and company culture, ensuring a perfect fit for diverse organizations. PayActiv emphasizes financial responsibility and encourages employees to utilize the service wisely, promoting a healthy relationship with their finances. For employees facing unexpected expenses or simply needing access to their earnings between paychecks, PayActiv offers a convenient and affordable alternative to traditional payday loans and other high-interest financial products. By empowering employees to take control of their finances, PayActiv fosters a more secure and stable financial future for individuals and families. The company is committed to providing a user-friendly platform and exceptional customer support, ensuring a positive experience for all users. PayActiv is more than just earned wage access, it's a pathway to financial wellness and a valuable benefit for both employees and employers.